these are frozen steaks, 3 of them. New York strip steak family pack. So, and I'm gonna put these right in the Instapot. Season them up with the A1. Put all the seasonings, the garlic, the onions, onion powder. I think onion flakes. I don't have actual onions, but if you have onions, chop you some onions. I put them on the bottom. That's what the recipe said. I got online, but I'm putting my own seasonings that I like on my steak. And then I'm gonna put these potatoes there in the foil. Season them up with butter, garlic, Italian seasoning, pepper, salt, and roll that on up. And you cover this up and put that on top of the steaks as it cooks. Supposed to cook for 20 minutes for frozen steaks. We're gonna see if it finishes up in 20 minutes. I don't doubt it with this Instapot. Now I rinsed my steak off and I had to get it connected from the paper. It's underneath it, you know, that little paper that drains the blood and from the package because you don't want that in there. And I got this mallet. Then it's a tenderizer, old school tenderizer, meat tenderizer that I'm gonna hit to break these 3 pieces of steak apart because they're still frozen. So this is the steaks. I put Worcestershire on there. I accidentally put light soy sauce on there, but it might be good with the light soy. Give it an Asian kick maybe. Light soy and Worcestershire sauce. I didn't have A1. I thought I did, but I don't, and I'm not buying it, so I'll be all right. I got butter, minced garlic, Italian seasoning. I put a little parsley flakes too. All dried parsley flakes, dried Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, garlic pepper, onion powder, and a little bit of red pepper, and butter. Yeah, I said the butter. That's that. I put the dried minced garlic and the minced garlic that comes in the jar. That's what you see those chunks of. So we'll see. Those are seasoned as well. About the same thing I put on the steak. The garlic powder, the garlic pepper, the onion powder. Yeah, and butter on there. And I'm going to roll it up and seal it with the foil. Yeah, it has the dried minced garlic on it. On the potatoes. I didn't put the other minced garlic, the jar minced garlic. But we shall see. And I put the Italian seasoning on it. I got it. You can set it on high pressure, which that's what the high, where the white is. And then 20 minutes is what that frozen steak recipe said for the pressure cooking. And we had it on pressure cook. And it should be done in 20 minutes. Hopefully it's nice and good and juicy and nice. Those potatoes are nice and good as well. We'll see. So the steam, I put it on vent. The big steam already came out, but it's still steam coming out. As you can hear it, you can see it as well. So yeah, like when you first vent it, that's it, where you vent it at. Seal it and vent it. You seal while you're cooking. You vent when it's done. But it's done. It's just on keep warm. And we'll open it on up. Yeah, it's on keep warm. I already opened it. And it played the little music. I forgot I was supposed to shoot the video when I opened it. But the potatoes are on top. Let's get into the potatoes. Of course, it's hot. Hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Let's see what they're looking like. All right. Potatoes. They steam. That's all the steam. Y'all can't even see the potatoes good because all the steam coming up off of them. That's the potatoes. Now let's see what the steaks is looking like. Let me put a plate down so I can set these potatoes on the plate. Ooh, I shouldn't have opened it till I got it on the plate. Hold on. Okay, so this is the steaks. That's what they looking like. And I got my steak sauce. Found it. Found my Kroger steak sauce. I found it. Kroger steak sauce. So I'm going to put that on these good old steaks. I bet they nice and tender. I bet they are, y'all. I bet they are. So this is the good steak. Let me put it over here in the light so y'all can see it. That's why I took it out the Instapot. Look at all them juices that's in there. Y'all can make a good gravy out of that if y'all want a gravy. But that's the good steaks. That one broke apart. It's so tender, y'all. It's falling off the bone. Let me show y'all how tender this steak is. I'm trying to tell y'all it's some tender steak. Look at that. You see how tender I'm about to tear this steak up. It's going to be the best steak ever. Back to them. Here's the potatoes, the full effect without all the steam. It's still steaming, but yeah, here's your nice potatoes. They nice and cooked. Cooked. They're getting mushy. They so cooked. But there we go. We got our steak. And we got our potatoes. I ain't even put the A1 on there yet. I ain't even put that on there. So this is the good plate. New York strip. It was frozen, but now it's nice and cooked and tender. And potatoes, seasoned potatoes, Idaho potatoes, cut up.